today I'm going to be making arancini. Arancini is Sicilian food. Sicily is a little island of Italy. Arancini is a wasteful. Before you cook, you always turn your hair and wash your hands with soap and water very properly. Let's put a little Parmesan cheese on the rice. I love this, it tastes so nice.
Mould.
We're going to get a bit of rice and fill up your rice bowl.
Mould.
Mold. Get the lid and put it on top of your mold. Like that. And then get your thing and then put it inside and then squish it. Like that. Push it all the way down to the white ball. Now it's all the way down. Now take it out. Here I got a bowl of my sauce. I'm going to put some in my mold. I'm going to put it Put some May sauce in your mold. Without spilling it, but I can go on the sides. This is how much you put in. That's how much. You get a piece of cheese and put one piece of cheese in your mold. I think this one. Okay. Then have a look. We're going to put some rice in so it fills up the arancini. That's enough. That's a little push. I'm going to put a little bit more in and then push it down with your fingers. Okay, pushing. Once it's full, you take off the lid and wiggle it out without breaking it. I think I'm going to break it. Wish me luck, everybody. Wish me luck. I'm so scared. Woo! Smells so wide. A coating mixture with flour and an egg and water. Put your arancini in the middle of the bowl and get the spoon to cover. Grab your arancini with your hands and then put it in here and then cover it with breadcrumbs. Cover the arancini in breadcrumbs. And I'm going to pick it up and put it there.
You make arancini.
And that's how you make arancini.
2, 3.
I finished making my rice balls. Now my mom's going to put them carefully in the oven because if I put them in, I will get burned and it's very dangerous. Actually, my mom's going to deep fry them. cooking the arancini, so now we're going to taste this. So let's grab one. Let's get one. Put it on my flat. Put it down very carefully. Doesn't hurt. I made a little mess. I'm cutting it out. They taste good. I love how I made them, and what else is so cute? Cheesy bite. Bye guys. See you guys next time. And say it, little girl. Say it. And Arancinotto and Selena. Say bye. Say next time. See